Hey guys, welcome to my channel. One of my favorite things that I like to do for my skin is to exfoliate. So I'm going to show you 3 different body scrubs that you can do at home all by yourself with things that you already have in your cabinet, and it's simple and clean ingredients, so it's great for sensitive and dry skin. Okay, so we're starting off super simple. All of them are simple, but this is really easy. So first thing, you're going to take your favorite body wash and you're gonna get some sugar. So add your body wash and your sugar. I like to add a little sugar at a time so I don't add too much, and I'm going to continue to do that until it's the thickness that I would like. Sugar is a great exfoliant, and when you add your body wash, a lot of people will go in and cleanse their body and then exfoliate, or vice versa. So when you do this scrub, it's like you're skipping a whole step. It's both steps in one. So go ahead and keep adding your sugar. The thicker, the more intense the scrub will be. So I like mine's pretty thick, and if it's still not thick enough for you, you can always go back and just add some more sugar later on when you do use it in the shower. So that's a great thing about making your very own body scrubs. I have super sensitive and dry skin. I wouldn't say my skin is super sensitive, but it is very dry. So when you're doing this at home, you don't have to worry about all the dyes and fragrance and all the chemicals that you will find at grocery stores. This one is like a dupe for the one that you can find at Target and Walmart that everybody have on TikTok and Instagram that you see in the shower routine. So this is a good dupe. Next, we're doing a coffee scrub. This is one of my favorite scrubs to do because you don't have to worry about a harsh scent, but at the same time, it smells amazing when you're using this in the shower. So it's a natural scent. So you're gonna need coffee, salt, and olive oil. So go ahead and add in your coffee and your salt, and then you're gonna add in some of your oil and mix it up, and you're gonna keep adding your oil into how you like it. I don't have any measurements, but you can always think of it like this: 2 to 1. So 2 parts coffee or salt or sugar or whatever, and 1 part oil. So not only do this scrub smell amazing, it's also one of the roughest scrubs that we're going to make, so it can really help improve our skin, any body acne. It will help circulate your blood and get off all the dead cells. And coffee is also good to get rid of cellulite. Olive oil is really good to make your skin very soft and smooth and shiny and hydrated. Guys, there are so many different combinations that you can make at home. You'll know what's exactly in it, and you can save a little bit of a coin too. Next, we're doing a brown sugar honey scrub. So you're going to need brown sugar, honey, and coconut oil. So go ahead, add your brown sugar, and then I'm gonna add some of my honey, and then you can take your coconut oil and you can put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds so it can melt, but you don't want it to be too hot, just melt it a little bit, and pour in some of your oil, stir it up. For this one, I noticed that it needed way less oil and way more brown sugar. This one also smells naturally good. It smells very sweet. It smells like brown sugar, and you have that honey in there to really nourish your skin. And the coconut oil is super hydrating. So if you have super dry skin like me, that would be amazing for your skin. And you can also add in your own oils, essential oils. If you want to make your own scents and smells, you can go ahead and do that too. I like to keep it simple. I don't like to play around too much with my skin. I didn't make a large amount of these because I'm making them all in the same day and I didn't want them to dry out before I got to use all of it. Only take the amount that you need into the shower with you and leave the rest in a dry place. Let me know if you give this a try. Trust me, your skin will thank you. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you in my next one.